Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Uman and you're watching my channel. So today I'm gonna draw a Grim Reaper, a hitman from the future. That's what I call it. First things first, I usually start with the smaller sketch and from there I can figure out what it's gonna be and then I go up to the bigger scale of a drawing. As you can see, I already made a big scale of a drawing, so from here I can start to do outlines. Let's go! For lines, I use Staedtler pigment liner. Now that outlines are done, I can mix up some color. I'll take blue, black, and a little bit of water. For color, I use Amsterdam acrylic ink. And we're ready to go. For black, I'm using Indiana ink, one of my favorites. I also use Da Vinci brush in different size. So, we are really close to the end. I need to apply some bright colors and that's it. Unfortunately, in this video I'm not gonna show you how I'm applying the background for this painting, but I will save this for the next time. So, I'm done with the painting and this is the result. It's based on traditional tattooing. I was using the skills of that. I really hope you like what I'm doing. If you like, subscribe my channel, spread the word, push the like, comment below. Hey, and if you have some crazy idea of what should I paint, please comment and I will pick the best one. If I like the idea, I'm gonna try to paint it. I think it's gonna be fun. So, I see you guys next time. Bye!